Looks like the herd is all present and accounted for.
The new foals seem healthy.
Agreed. The migration should start on schedule. Note the dust cloud on the far right flank. Copy that. Tracking the alpha female now. Right there near the center, the markings are very distinct. Beautiful specimens this morning. Almost there, keep the pace steady. Clear the way to the chute entrance. All right, pull your side tight. Ready over here?
Yeah.
Let's fold it down the middle.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Come on now. Keep them straight.
Vitals look good. How's the weight reading coming along?
Right on target for her age.
This looks consistent with the previous scan.
My readings on the flank match yours. Vitals are stable. We can finalize the report.
All right, move it left. Nice and easy now. Don't want to spook them.
Got it.
Slowing down. This gauge is running high. I'm adjusting the flow. Good, keep it steady.
Ready? Lift. Higher, push it higher.
Watch this curve right here. It's the crucial alignment point.
Got it.
We start the incision there, holding steady.
The stitching on this tote is perfect.
The pattern alignment is flawless.
This batch is ready for the showroom.
The texture is spot on. What about the alignment?
It holds up across the board. The
Yeah.
quality is consistent.
Mhm.
Make sure that corner is secure.
Yeah, I got it. Looks good to go. All right, next row coming up. Careful, these are heavy. Stack it tight against the plastic.
All right, lift it up. Watch the side, bring it in straight. Clear the pallet jack.
Mark this one for Germany. Copy that. Moving the USA shipment now.
Hold it. Too far left. All right, pulling back now. Watch the forks coming out. All right, bring it forward. Watch the clearance on your right.
Doors secure.
Locking complete, ready for seal.
Manifest confirmed. You are good to go.
Is that tightened down yet?
Almost. Just one more turn here.
Vibration dampening is stable at this speed. Good. Let's run the diagnostic cycle. Cycle complete. Systems are green. Production volume is up 15% this quarter, according to this chart.
But the tablet shows a dip in the last 2 weeks here. We need to investigate why.
Smooth it out. Make sure it lines up with the others. Looks good.
near the large acacia, the one with the torn ear.
Copy that. Focusing now.
Right there, hit that rail hard.
Securing it now.
And I'll tighten this base post.
Gates look secure on this side. All clear on the west perimeter.
Where the wild heart of Africa meets unparalleled luxury. Welcome to the world's premier zebra farm.